In this video, you will see how you can change the Dropbox password. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, I'm going to open a browser. For this video, I'm going to use Safari browser, and then I'm going to open the Dropbox website. From the Dropbox website, I'm going to click the login button. Once I click the login button, it is asking me to type the username and password for my account. I'm going to use the login information to log in my account by putting my username and password, which I saved already in this computer or Mac, and then I'm going to press the login button. It will be logged in on my account. Once I logged in my account, then it's time to change my password. So there is the account icon is there. We just need to click here. It will be expanded, and from here we have to choose settings. I'm going to click settings, and very shortly the account related settings window will be opened. Here you will find different tabs are there, like general, security, and so many things. Our goal is to change the password, so we have to go to the security section. I'm going to click security, and very shortly security related information will be opened. From here we have to come to the password section, and next to the password section you will find on link is there, change password. To change the password, we just need to click here, and very shortly it will open this prompt. Here there will be two fields, one is old password and other is new password. At first we need to type the old password, and this must be the real password which my account is right now using. If we don't have the old password, we cannot change the password. At the time we have to use forget password, this option, but I know my password, that's why I'm going to click old password, and I'm going to type the password which I already saved in my computer. And then I'm going to use the Apple password application to generate the new password. I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will generate a new password. And then after that we have to press the change password, this button, and the password will be saved. And here it is showing password changed successfully. I'm going to click dismiss, and then I'm going to log out this application to check whether the change password is working properly or not. I'm going to click logout, and very shortly it will be logout, and here it is asking, do you want to update the password? Yes, I want. We have to choose update password so that it will be updated. Now I'm going to use my new password to log in my account. I'm going to click email, and then I'm going to press the continue button, and then I'm going to use the password which already set on the Apple application password, and then I'm going to press the login button, and if the login information is correct, then only we can able to access our account. And that's it. In this way we can easily change the password of my Dropbox account.